Hey guys, welcome back to my workshop. You're watching Car Mods Are Us. So today what we're doing is a cambelt change on the 1UZ FE. So I just want to get it reliable, make sure the water pump is fine and everything is mint on it. So this is how we do it. Okay, so we'll first start off by making sure this is loose. Oh yeah, there you go. Mint. Switch down. And then we'll just take off all the covers. Guys, how you set timing is, there's my timing mark there. If you can see, I need to get that onto 0. And then you got these lines there, and to line up with those lines down there. Same with that side. So that one lines up pretty well. This one doesn't at all, and that one doesn't. So my timing on this car is slightly out. Sweet, so we'll set that up and then show you guys what it is. Okay, so I'll line that up with 0. That one there is very close, not quite right, but we'll fix that when we take the belt off and reset it. This one is a little bit off as well. So now we'll remove the pulley, remove the black cover, and take the belt off. Release the hydraulic tensioner, replace everything including the water pump. Sweet. It's a really bad photo, but there you go. Okay, so we'll clean up the surface a little bit better, rough it up maybe with some paper, and then tomorrow we'll chuck the new pump on. We're ready to go. Okay, so when you set up your belt, make sure this notch lines up with that, just like that, nice and straight. That notch there lines up with that one, and then you see a little dot there, the divot. Make sure those line up, so that will make the timing perfect. And then it doesn't stop. Okay, so the trick is you turn that back slightly to release some tension here, and then you tension it up so your dot lines up again. And those to line up with each other. That one and that one. And that still lines up. Okay, sweet. So I gave it a few rotations. Everything still lines up. And there. So that's timing belt done. Okay, so that's cam belt done, new water pump installed, everything is back on, sealed, and it looks pretty good. So I'm just trying to source a new one of these covers to just cover up this hole you can see there, because I don't like having an inspection hole like that for my water pump. Other than that, so next step is bolt up our sump, chuck on the new clutch, which we just been extreme racing, extreme performance clutch, and it's just a organic disc. Yeah, with a heavy duty pressure plate that has 1100 clamping forces. And then we can bolt the gearbox back on, set up the thrower bearing, and drop it into the whip. So please subscribe, follow, and share this video, like this video as well. Chill.